Okay, so finally for math, so the first thing we're going to look at is a line graph, okay? And so a line graph is when you have some data, we're just going to make it quick here for the lesson. We are going to have how cold it was over the last 3 days, okay? So today's Friday, so let's do Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday. I really don't know how cold it is, I'm just making this up. Wednesday, it was pretty cold on Wednesday. Let's do 45. Thursday wasn't as cold, let's do 52. And then today is a little bit chilly, so let's call it 50, okay? So, in order to create a line graph, we have to have what we know as X and Y coordinates. Your X is first, your Y is second. We always start here at 0, 0, okay? We have our Y going up and down, our X going left to right. We learned this, if you guys remember, we had the coordinates where like we would go up to the house, over to the park, if that helps, okay? We have to create our own coordinates because we need to figure out what our X and Y is so we can make some type of conclusion, okay? So we have 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and that's our X. Everybody see that? X, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now we come over here, well, we start at 45 degrees, so we really don't need to start anything crazy. We could start with 20. Then let's go to 40, and then let's go to 60, okay? So in between here we have 5, 10, and then we end at 20. Then we have 25, 30, 35, 40. 45, 50, 55, okay? So a lot of times you'll see graphs where they have like all the little squares. I'm not gonna draw all that today, okay? So what you're gonna do is go to Wednesday. It was 45 degrees. So we're going up to 4, a little bit over 40 because we need 45, okay? This is Wednesday. Okay, and then we have Thursday. Thursday, we're gonna go up right about in the middle and a little bit higher because it's 52. And this doesn't have to be any type of perfect situation, it's just close, okay? And then Friday, we're gonna go right smack dab in the middle, a little bit below Thursday because it's 50 today, 52 yesterday, okay? So, we'll draw our line from 0 to Wednesday to Thursday to Friday, okay? So, by our line graph, what can we conclude? We can conclude that it was colder on Wednesday than it was on Thursday and Friday. We can also conclude that it was colder on Wednesday than it is today. We can also conclude that it's colder on Wednesday than it was on Thursday. We can also conclude that it was warmer Thursday and Friday than Wednesday. This means that our temperature was colder and has gone up and then came back down. So those are some of our conclusions from our line graph, okay? That's the first lesson for this week on Monday, line graphs.